Number 2, the directions are the same as number 1, which is to factor and then solve. So we're not going to follow the first step that is given by the problem here, but we're going to actually just start by using grouping, because there are 4 terms here. So we're actually going to group the first 2 and group the last 2. And because this sign is a negative, we need to change this sign here because we need to be able to get the negative, positive 2 back. So negative times negative will give us a positive 2 back if we were to remove the parentheses. So that's how we should set it up first. And then next we're going to factor out the common terms in the first group, which is x squared. So we will factor out x squared, and we have 3x minus 2 left. Minus, we have nothing in common in the second group, which is nothing. So we're going to factor out just a 1. So 3x minus 2 goes inside. As you can see, the inside parentheses look exactly the same. So therefore, we're going to use distributive property to pull out the common term. Again, we're going to pull out both of them. And it will be 3x minus 2. And then what is left after you factor that out is x squared minus 1. And set that equal to 0. We also realize that this second parenthesis is a difference of square, so we can actually factor that one step further into a difference of square, which is x plus 1 and x minus 1. And now since we have the 3 factors, we set them all individually equal to 0. So we have 3x minus 2 equal to 0. To solve it, we're going to add 2 and then divide it by 3. So the solution coming out of here is x equals 2/3. And the second one, we have x plus 1 equal to 0. We just need to subtract 1, and we have the solution is -1. And finally, we have x minus 1, the third factor, set it equal to 0. We add 1, and we have x equal to 1. So the 3 solutions are x equals 2/3, -1, and 1. That's the end of the problem.